Welcome to Tech Monetize Official, your go-to channel for understanding the latest in technology and how it impacts your everyday life. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and sometimes unsettling topic: how artificial intelligence can uncover your personal secrets, often without you even realizing it's happening. Technology is woven into every part of our lives, from the moment we wake up to the last thing we do before bed. But it's not just helping us stay connected or making life easier. It's also quietly learning about us every single day. AI collects and analyzes your data, everything from your browsing habits to your location, your voice commands, and even your facial expressions. It builds a detailed profile that can reveal your habits, preferences, and sometimes even secrets you haven't shared with anyone. This isn't science fiction or some distant future. It's happening right now, all around us, in ways most people never notice. Our goal here isn't to scare you, but to empower you with the knowledge you need to navigate this new digital world with confidence and awareness. By understanding how AI works behind the scenes, you can make smarter choices, protect your digital footprint, and take back control over your personal information. We'll break down how your everyday devices, from your smartphone to your smart speaker and even your smartwatch, are constantly gathering data about you, often in ways you might not expect. Then we'll show you how AI sifts through all that information, finding patterns and connections, sometimes knowing your routines and preferences better than your closest friends or family members. We'll give you real-world examples and discuss the risks involved, including growing privacy concerns, data breaches, and the big question of who really controls your information in the digital age. Most importantly, we'll share practical, easy-to-follow steps you can take right now to keep your secrets safe and your data secure. If you want to stay informed and empowered, make sure you subscribe to Tech Monetize Official for more insights, tips, and updates on the world of technology. Let's start by looking at the digital breadcrumbs you leave behind every day. Tiny pieces of information that, when put together, can reveal a lot about who you are. Understanding this invisible trail is the first step to taking control of your digital identity and protecting your privacy in a connected world. Ready to discover just how much AI really knows about you? Let's begin this eye-opening journey together. The adventure starts now. Every time you use technology, you leave digital breadcrumbs, tiny traces of your life. These digital footprints are created with every click, swipe, and tap, often without you even realizing it. From the moment you wake up and check your phone to the last message you send before bed, your actions are quietly recorded. Your smartphone tracks your location, calls, texts, and app usage. It knows where you go, how long you stay, and even the routes you take. Apps running in the background can access your contacts, calendar, and sometimes even your microphone or camera. Every photo you take, every website you visit, and every online purchase adds to your digital trail. Even your search history and the ads you click on are stored, building a detailed record of your interests and habits. Social media platforms collect your likes, comments, and connections, building a detailed profile. They analyze your posts, the time you spend on each story, and the people you interact with most. Smart devices in your home, like speakers, thermostats, and TVs, gather even more data about your routines and preferences. They learn when you're home, what music you like, and even your favorite TV shows. These individual pieces of data may seem harmless, but together they create a vivid picture of your life. When combined, they reveal patterns about your behavior, your relationships, and even your moods. Companies and app developers collect, store, and organize this information. They use powerful servers and cloud storage to keep your data accessible and ready for analysis. Your data is the fuel that powers AI systems. These systems learn from your actions, adapting and improving with every new piece of information. It's not just about what you do online. Your offline habits are being tracked too. Security cameras, payment systems, and public Wi-Fi networks all contribute to your digital footprint. All these breadcrumbs form the foundation for AI to analyze and predict your behavior. The more data collected, the more accurate and personal these predictions become. The more you use technology, the more complete your digital portrait becomes. Over time, this portrait can reveal not just what you do, but who you are. Next, let's see how AI turns this data into powerful predictions. We'll explore how these insights are used to shape your digital experience. Your digital trail is more revealing than you think. Let's find out how. Once your data is collected, AI gets to work. Its main job? Finding patterns in massive amounts of information, faster and deeper than any human could. Imagine millions of puzzle pieces, your searches, purchases, locations, and more. AI connects these pieces, spotting trends and correlations you'd never notice. It doesn't need to understand why a pattern exists, just that it does. This is called machine learning. The more data, the smarter the AI. It builds a dynamic profile, guessing your interests, habits, and even your mood. Sometimes it can infer secrets you haven't shared, like a new relationship or a health concern, just from your activity. AI's ability to connect unrelated data points is what makes it so powerful, and sometimes unsettling. It can predict things about you that you haven't told anyone. Now, let's see how these predictions shape your everyday life. The results might surprise you. You interact with AI predictions every day, often without noticing. From the moment you wake up and check your phone, AI is there, guiding your choices and decisions. On Amazon, recommended for you isn't random. It's AI analyzing your shopping habits and suggesting what you'll want next. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your tastes better than you do. Streaming services like Netflix and YouTube use AI to suggest shows and videos based on your viewing history and preferences. They aim to keep you watching, ensuring you never run out of content you'll love. Social media feeds are curated by AI, showing you posts and ads tailored to your interests and recent activity. This keeps you engaged, scrolling endlessly through content designed just for you. Even the news you see is filtered by AI, creating a personalized experience, but also a filter bubble that can limit your perspective. You might miss out on important viewpoints and stories. These systems are designed to keep you engaged, spending more time and money. The more you interact, the more data they collect, refining their predictions. The more you interact, the more accurate and influential the AI becomes. It learns from every click, every view, and every purchase. Sometimes it feels helpful. Other times, it's controlling what you see and do. The balance between convenience and control is delicate. But what happens when AI knows too much? When it starts predicting your actions before you even think of them? The line between convenience and intrusion can blur quickly. It's important to be aware of how much control you're giving away. Let's explore the risks of AI's deep knowledge about you. Understanding these risks can help you make informed decisions about your digital life. Your digital experience is being shaped in ways you might not expect. Every interaction is a data point, feeding into a system designed to predict and influence your behavior. Are you still in control? Let's find out. The journey to understanding AI's role in your life starts now. The convenience of AI comes with a cost: your privacy. As AI gets better at predicting your needs, it also uncovers your secrets. It builds a detailed profile, your beliefs, health, finances, even your emotional state. Companies can use this knowledge to target you with ads or exploit your vulnerabilities. Sometimes AI's conclusions are wrong, but they still affect your digital reputation. Data brokers may sell your profile, and even governments could use AI to monitor behavior. You might be judged or denied opportunities based on data you didn't know you shared. The AI's version of you isn't always accurate, but it's powerful. So, how do you protect yourself from these risks? Let's talk about privacy in the age of AI. Your digital shadow grows with every click, message, and purchase. The biggest risk? Losing control over your personal information. Data breaches can expose your secrets, leading to identity theft or fraud. AI can be used to manipulate your choices, politically, financially, or emotionally. Bias in AI systems can lead to unfair treatment or discrimination, often without your knowledge. The more data collected, the more vulnerable you become. Privacy isn't just about hiding, it's about control, but you're not powerless. There are steps you can take to protect your secrets. Here's how. You can take control of your privacy, even in an AI-driven world. Be mindful of what you share online. Think before posting or filling out quizzes. Regularly review privacy settings on your devices and accounts. Limit app permissions. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks and watch out for phishing scams. Stay skeptical of suspicious links and messages. The less data you give away, the less AI can learn about you. Small changes can make a big difference in protecting your secrets. Staying safe is an ongoing process. Let's see how you can keep up as technology evolves. Your privacy is worth the effort. Protecting your privacy isn't a one-time fix, it's a habit. Technology changes fast, so keep learning about new risks and tools. Read privacy policies, even if you just skim for key points. Follow trusted tech news and consumer groups for updates on threats and best practices. Think critically before downloading new apps or connecting smart devices. Your data is valuable, treat it that way. Being informed turns you from a passive user into an empowered one. The more you know, the safer you are. Take ownership of your digital life. Your future online depends on the choices you make today. Stay curious, stay cautious, and stay in control. Let's wrap up with how Tech Monetize Official can help you stay ahead. We've covered how AI learns your secrets and how you can protect yourself. Technology is always evolving, and so are the risks. At Tech Monetize Official, we break down complex topics to keep you informed and empowered. Subscribe for more insights on AI, privacy, and digital security. Your awareness and actions matter. Take control of your digital life. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time as we continue to demystify the technology shaping our world.